Once upon a year, there is a jam that everyone loves, everyone found sweet, and everyone want to taste it. And that is the Brackeys Game Jam. Hello everyone and welcome here on my channel Cheerfuldev. I hope you are doing good, I hope you are doing well, and I hope you are enjoying your day. If not, remember guys, it will always get better, just never give up. So in this video guys, I want to talk with you about something really cool that's going to happen this week, and that is the Brackeys Game Jam 2020.1, which means we may have a second jam in this year or a third one, I don't know, but I'm so excited to announce to you guys that I'm participating in the game jam, and I will try to create a game in only 3 days. So the game jam is a 1 week game jam, and because I was stupid and busy with the university, I didn't start the game jam before. So now I'm participating and I'm trying to do something here and to create a game in only, let's say, a few days. Like I have a maximum of 3 days, and I need to create the game in only this period of time. So I will do my best to finish the game and make it, and that's going to be it. And I want to talk to you guys about the game jam and who is Bracky and what he do. So Bracky is a game developer. He's a YouTuber, and he's one of the best YouTubers that you can find in the internet, in YouTube. There is Psycho, of course, Black Thorn Prod. I always misread his name, but Brackeys is one of the most popular YouTuber who make game dev tutorials about Unity, C# design and stuff like this. So if you want to learn cool and amazing stuff, go to brackeys.com. Of course there is a website, brackeys.com. I'm doing a publicity here and it's for free. I'm not paid on anything guys, there is nothing. I just love the guy and I love what he does, so I'm showing you his stuff. And if you want to join the game jam, this is the Brackeys Game Jam 2020.1. You can join the jam on itch.io, and you can find jam tabs there in the top corner, and you can go to the Brackeys Game Jam and submit your game. And there is a theme, of course there is always a theme. In this year it's holes. Don't judge guys, okay? It's not what you think, it's just holes. I mean, they are just holes, nothing really happening here, right Brackeys? I don't know what got into his mind to think about this theme, but that is going to be funny, and I already have an idea. I was sitting this whole morning trying to think about an idea to make these holes fit into a game, and I have a lot of ideas, but I will try to keep it simple and make only a basic game, right? Because that is the most important part of game jam. It's to test your limits and to create a game jam based on a period of time. And of course, as you can see here, this is the website itch.io, and inside of this there is a lot of games, and all of those people, they created the simple games and complex games between a period of game jams, right? So if there is a game jam, they participate in this jam and create a game and publish it for everyone so they can play their game, test it and give feedbacks to them. This is why everyone makes jams in itch.io, and this is why every game developer who wants to improve or to create something new or to challenge himself, he participates, or her. Of course there are girls making games too. They participate in those game jams and make a game in a period of times to be quickly, to be funny, to be amazing, and all this stuff. So I will be participating, of course, in this game jam, and I will show you my entry to the game jam once I finish it. Of course, it will be really something, not something really cool, not something complex, just a simple game where we will use just some basic stuff, right, in Unity to make it and give it a good feeling, right? So that's what we are going to try to make, of course, to create something very quick and cool. And the theme, as I said, it's hard, so you need to implement hard. So if you want to participate in this game jam, it's really easy, guys. Go to Itch.io to find the top jams and to find the Brackeys Game Jam. You read the description and everything, you create the game and participate. There is of course a theme where you can do whatever that you want. That's it for this video, guys. I hope you did enjoy this short video. I'm just announcing to you that there is a game jam, and if you want to participate, you go ahead and do it. It's really fun, guys. And if you are new, subscribe to my channel to see what we are going to do in the future, right? So we are a growing up community, and I really appreciate your support, guys. It's really amazing to me, and I really love you so much. Thank you for watching, and subscribe if you are new, like if you do like what we do, and hopefully I will see you in the next video. See you soon.